Happy Friday. Oop, no. Today I'm going to show you my mustard linen ring sling I just finished with the gathered shoulder and the gold rings. So I'll kind of give you a up close look. Has the 2 rows of stitching going up the back, and then just Mr. Elon, and there you have it. The tail is a little bit shorter since it is the gathered shoulder, but it's still long enough to cover for nursing. Peekaboo. And you can just do the, you were not chewing on that. Put it in the knot over, so it kind of gives it a nice finished look. Over. You can also tuck it under their leg if you don't like the tail hanging. Otherwise, you can just have it hanging free. And I will show you another up close of the sling. Hold on, baby boy. Hold on a second. So the gathered shoulder with the gold rings. This is available on my Etsy. I just listed it, along with a few others, solids and tie-dyed. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.